Solids weightage 7 marks. In this video, we are discussing of most important 2 marks and 5 marks. Questions with answers. So let's start the video first. Question. Write any 2 differences between crystalline and amorphous solids. Answer is, next question. What are ionic crystalline solids? Give an example. Answer. In which the constituent particles are cations and anions linked through ionic bonds. Example. Sodium chloride. Next question. What are covalent or network crystalline solids? Give an example. Answer. In which the constituent particles are atoms linked through covalent bonds. Example. Diamond. Next question. What are metallic crystalline solids? Give an example. Answer. In which the constituent particles are metal ions linked through metallic bonds. Example. Sodium. Next question. What are the molecular crystalline solids? Give an example. Answer. In which the constituent particles are molecules. Example. Solid CO2, solid SO2. Next question. Define coordination number. What is the coordination number in A. Simple cube, B. BCCC, FCC? Answer. The number of nearest neighbors for a particular particle. A. 6B, 8C, 12. Next question. Calculate number of particles present in simple cubic unit cell. Answer. Number of particles. 8x minus 1. Contribution of a particle from the corner. 1 number of particles at the corner. 8. Next question. Calculate the number of particles present in body-centered cubic lattice. BCC. Answer. Number of particles 8x plus 1 equals 2. Contribution of a particle from the corner, number of particles at the center minus 1. Next question. Calculate the number of particles present in FCC, face-centered cubic lattice. Answer. Number of particles, 8x plus 6x minus 4. Contribution of a particle from the corner, number of particles at the corners, 8 contribution of a particle at the face, number of particles at the faces, Nasher 6. Next question. Explain Schottky defect with an example. Answer. In which equal number of cations and anions are missed out of crystal lattice, density decreases. Example KCI 11. Explain Frenkel defect with an example. Answer. In which cation is displaced from the normal site and occupies interstitial site. Density remains same example. Silver chloride. Next question. Write the equation to calculate density of a crystal. D equals Zm divided by Na into a cube, where D equals density of crystal, Z equals number of particles, M equals molar mass, Na equals Avogadro's number, A equals edge length of unit cell. Next question. Silver forms, FCC, lattice, and X-ray studies of its crystals show that the edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometers. Calculate the density of silver atomic mass 107.9 U, Na 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23. And answer is Next question. Calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice, and answer is given. Next question. Calculate the packing efficiency in face-centered cubic, or CCP, or HEP lattice. Calculate the packing efficiency in body-centered cubic, BCC, lattice. Answer is